Antonyms or contrast. It is said that when contrasting, you are determining how words are different. These words are usually introduced by words or phrases, such as unlike, on the other hand, in contrast to, on the contrary, however, different from, but, yet, etc. Example: in America, she is an eminent scientist even though she is virtually unknown in England. Now the word to be unlocked is the word eminent. To unlock this one, we should look for its antonym in the given sentence. Now let's divide this one into two sentences. First, she is an eminent scientist in America, and the second one, she is virtually unknown in England. In the first one, she is stated as an eminent scientist, a person who is eminent. In the second one, she is stated as a virtually unknown person, a person who is unknown. So the first one emphasizes the word eminent, while on the second one, the word unknown. Therefore, the word unknown is eminent's antonym, which leads us to the conclusion that the word eminent means known. Antonym is a word that means the opposite of another word. It is also a useful contextual clue.